This video is meant for entertainment purpose, so please don't take it seriously and thank you. Cookie, yeah, okay, Rio. He came to his brother, Cookie. Bro, wait, Rio. Hey, showing his bunny teeth to his brother, Cookie. His eyes get widened. But how did you get here to the terrace, huh? Cookie, Mom, what is this? He shouted at you. Come here, Cookie. He started. I get worried. Please don't scare me like this, okay? Van Rio, you came to the terrace. What is he doing here? Worriedly, Cookie. Mom, I have the same question, Mom, angrily. Fine, I was cooking, but he was playing there. Then what's my fault, huh? Cookie, look at him. How is he smiling? Fine, yeah. Cookie, what is this, huh? Rio, haha. Fine. Cookie, let's have dinner while going out. Cookie, okay, Mom. Cookie, Mom, take Rio with you. I'm just coming. Rio, he started crying. Fine, come to me. Rio, he is not leaving his brother. Cookie, oh ho, it's okay, Mom. You go, we are coming. Van, you went from there. Cookie, he started calling someone else. Cookie, hello, don't worry, I'm with you. Soon. Bro, I'm very scared. What if he will kill me? Worriedly. Cookie, you don't know, bro, who I am. Soon. I know you are the most famous mafia son, sadly. Cookie, yes, I'm his son, but I'm a mafia too. Soon, what? Cookie, leave it. Tell me, how is auntie and uncle home? Soon, they are fine, but they are worried about me. Cookie, tell them that if Cookie is with you and he is your friend, then they don't need to be worried, okay? With his attitude. Rio, hello? Soon, hey, he chuckled. What is he doing with you, Cookie? He laughed. Cookie, oh, finally he laughed. He became happy after hearing his friend's happy voice. Cookie, say hello to Young. Rio, hello. Soon, he is laughing so much. How cute, bro. Cookie, are you happy soon? Soon, yes, I want to bring your brother with me. Happily. Cookie, okay, no problem. You can. Haha, he laughed at his friend. JK, what about dinner? Fan, I'm so sorry. But we had dinner because Cookie was very hungry. JK, okay. Oh, no problem. While coming to you. JK, now let's go, okay? Fan, hey, what are you doing? You get shocked. JK, just taking care of you. Fan, the most strongest man in the world. Haha, you laughed at him while going to downstairs. Fan, your eyes get wide and Cookie, hello mom. Fan, Cookie, what is this? Cookie, nothing. It's nothing, mom. Fan, stop. Tell me what happened. Cookie, don't worry, mom. Everything is fine and he's alive. I didn't do anything to him. Fan, I can see clearly. Don't lie to me. Fan, tell me, you shouted at him. Cookie, okay then, I was just supporting my best friend mom. Van, you know very well that mafia life is very dangerous. Then why are you trying to be this, huh? I don't want you to be a mafia like your dad. I know your dad is a good person, but please don't choose this work, son, okay? Cookie, Mom, listen, I was just helping that poor person and I will help them forever. He started going angrily. Rio, Mom, he is coming with his fake phone. Rio, hello. He is talking like he knows how to speak. You laughed. Who is on the call? Rio, he get happy. Van, oh, seems like my daughter in law, right? Rio, JK, he came with his many bodyguards. Rio, Dad, JK, he is looking. JK, yes, Rio, hello, Dad, while giving him his phone. Man, your daughter in law. JK, oh really? Hello, daughter, how are you? Rio, he is giggling. JK, what? You don't like my son? Hey, don't say like this. Tell me the reason, huh? Because, hey, no, don't say like this. Bodyguard, they are laughing so much. JK, listen, daughter. My son is big, okay? Understand? Rio, yeah. He shouted at his imaginary girl. Ryan, your eyes get wide and bodyguard, how cute. They are laughing so much. JK, my superhero. He laughed at his son. Rio, Dad? JK, yes. What a relief. He smiled at his son. Fan, you smiled at them. Rio, Tata. He started clapping. Bodyguard, what is the meaning of Tata while laughing? Second bodyguard, I will ask my son because he is like Rio. He laughed too. Van, now go and freshen up. JK, no, we have to go back. I just came to meet you. He came to you. Happily. Van, okay, be safe and be careful, okay? JK, don't worry. Van, Rio, he started crying after saying his dad. JK, oh, sorry. He came to his son. After some time, Cookie, he is watching TV. Van, what are you thinking, Cookie? Please don't scare me like this. I'm worried about your son. Cookie, I'm so sorry, Mom, but it's my final decision. Van, okay, you do as you want. Cookie, thank you, Mom. Van, listen, you do whatever you want, but I will always support you. Okay? Cookie, I promise I will never hurt anyone unnecessary. But if they, Van, yeah, okay. Cookie, Mom. Cookie, thank you so much, Mom, for everything. Van, you guys are my everything, Cookie. Van, you smiled at your son, but Rio, his eyes get widened. He immediately ran towards you and Cookie. Rio, angrily, Rio, he started slapping his brother, Cookie. What? My, huh? Rio, my mom. Fine, they started again. You started watching TV, ignoring them. Cookie, you mean she's only your mom, right? Cookie. Rio. Yeah. He laughed. Cookie, he rolled his eyes. Rio. No, look at me. Cookie, what now? He chuckled.